guys, welcome back to the sawmill. I got an order that came through the other night for 55 fence boards, or 1x6 by 16 white oak. So this is what I got on deck here, and I'm going to trim it up a little bit, get it loaded up, get some of this off the deck, and then we're going to go at it. So thanks for joining. We got a lot of stuff to get done today, so hang with me. It's going to be a good day. Just pulling a couple slabs off the top of this thing. I'm going to set them aside, and then I'll have to come back and edge them down. This is what you have to do to get to a cant size. I'm cutting 1x6s, so I need a 6-inch wide cant, and it's going to be the depth of whatever I can get out of the log, maybe 12 or 13 inches, something like that. Okay, so this is the least favorite part of the job right here. These are the first few boards that I pulled off on each side, and they're cut at 1 inch thick, but they have the bark on them still, so I'm going to stand them up and edge them on both ends and get as many boards out of them as I can. It's a real pain in the butt, but it's a necessary evil. 16 footers will wear you out. Even though they're only an inch thick this time. Still heavy. I measured them all, but I wasn't sure I was going to clear that one stop right there. Yeah, he's got a bow in him. Short of 6 inches there. Funny, sometimes the logs you think are really good ones turn out to be not as much usable wood in them as you think. And sometimes the ones that don't look as good turn out better. It's a strange game. So I got 8 good ones and 2 freebies because I have to keep reminding myself that it's rough cut lumber, but still, that fence board isn't gonna be any good. Or maybe it will, I don't know. So I got 8. I got 2 freebies, and I gotta edge these ones down. Got another bad one right there. Some big cracks in it. I'll probably throw that in as a freebie though. And I got one there. That's gonna be a good one. And then I can probably get. This is what kills you right here, stuff like this. When you need 16 feet. You know, that kills you. I only get 1 board out of that, and 1 board out of that. And 2 out of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So that's 16. That's 16. And it's 55. So I'm gonna have it's 16 minus probably 3. Probably 13 real good ones in there. Okay, so I'm gonna pack her in for tonight because I got out here late today. It's Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday, I'll probably come back out because I think the girls are going horse riding. So I'll probably come out, edge these up right here. I gotta clean that sawdust up, it's getting in my way. I'll edge those up and I'll throw another log on there and see if we can't get another. Probably gonna take me at least 3 more logs, I'm guessing. That one did have a pretty big crook in it. It had a pretty big belly in it, and then it had a big fiber pole at the end where, you know, when you knock the trees over with an excavator, it's rough on them. So you get what you get, you know. But anyway, we're gonna call her quits for today. Gonna clean everything up, put it in the job box over there, and we'll see you again in the morning. Welcome back, guys. Doing a little cleanup this morning before I get started. Okay guys, so wrapped up the fence boards. but didn't get any footage of it because the GoPro had other plans. Decided it wasn't going to give me any audio for the rest of the day, which is okay. I'm not going to go out like that. I'm going to take you all along, give you some bonus footage of a fishing trip from a couple years ago and a couple nice fish catches. How's that sound? I think it's a good way to end the video. I want to catch one big one. There he is. Big tree. Yeah, he's a good one. Don't stay out of that tree, please.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, he's got some shoulders on him, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Oh, dude.
Woo! Is that 5?
That's more than 5. Maybe. I think it's 6 or 7, dude.
Whew! The
Tokyo
T-rig again. Saves the day. That might be my biggest bass ever. That might be my biggest bass ever right there. Look at that. Whew, I don't know. He's pretty big.
Yeah, that's a good
Got
one.
that Tokyo rig.
Where's that scale at?
It's right here.
Oh, I see he's got the hook. He's got some shoulders on him. He's swimming faster than the net could go.
Dude, that is a giant. He gave it a little mouth hug, baby.
That's a good one.
I just had to complain about it a little. I just got done saying.
Yeah.
Oh, we get the trolling motor on.
We're gonna be at the other end of the That's a
Man,
that's a good fish.
Full-grown fish right there.
That's probably 7. Probably 7. Get the clap. Yeah, you gotta give it a minute.
$5.93. $5.93. Oh, wait a minute. $5.93. Dang on, didn't break the 6 pound mark.
That thing was huge.
That's a beauty, though.
Here, let's see it.
Give it a little mouth hug. Let's let this baby go.
Alright, that's a big fish, man. That thing looks like 7, dude.
He does look big, don't he?
That scale don't lie, though.
There he goes.
Yeah. I don't think that's a real big one, though. Yeah. That's a decent one.
Not too small. Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Oh, you want the net?
I'm gonna bite this. Yeah. He ain't little. Little. What? Hopefully the GoPro got that blow up.
Oh, shoot, mine's angled the other way, and I don't think yours got it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Bigs.
That's
a 4 pounder.
Yeah. That's a little one.
It looked little when he came up,
Yeah,
didn't
it did.
Oh, yeah, he ate that thing. Look at that Jacob Wheeler buzzbait in there. That accent buzzbait. Get you some of that, will you? Picture.
Oh.
Gotta get my hat in there. My lens got all wet. Putting you back, girl. Nice 4 pounder right there. There she goes.
Yeah, I want my big way back.
Let's see what we get going by.
Alright. There's the beaver.